Igbo kwenu, kwezenu. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am sharing how to make Ugba sauce with you. This is the best sauce you can use to eat your yam, trust me. And this sauce, if you offend anyone, most especially your husband, and you want to apologize, just make this sauce. He cannot resist it, and it's going to wire some money into your account after eating. Here are the ingredients I am going to be using to make this delicious Ugba sauce. I'll be using cayenne pepper known as shombo, and I'll be using habanero pepper known as atarodo, and some onions. I'll also be using palm oil. Ugba sauce requires a lot of palm oil. I'm also going to be using this smoked fish, which I am going to debone later in the video. I'm also going to be using ugba. Of course, what is Ugba sauce without ugba? So I'm also going to be using uziza leaf to add some flavor. I love uziza leaf so much. You can use ugu, you can use any vegetable of your choice. I am also going to be using some spices, which is seasoning, salt, and crayfish. Now I will go ahead to cut the onions into my desired shape and size. Now I will go ahead to debone the fish. If you want to leave the bone in your fish, you can. It is optional. Now I am going to blend the pepper roughly using my manual blender. Now that the ingredient is ready, I am going to set my pot on fire and add palm oil and allow the palm oil to heat up a bit, and add your sliced onions. Allow the onions to fry until it is a little bit brown. Now I will go ahead to add the roughly chopped pepper mixture. I will allow it fry for about 3 minutes before adding my seasoning. Now I will go ahead to add my seasoning, salt, and some crayfish powder. I will allow it fry for about 10 minutes before adding my fish. The amount of pepper and oil to use depends on your choice, on what you want. You can add tomatoes, you can reduce the oil, but for Ugba sauce you need a lot of oil. Now I will go ahead to add the fish and stir to combine. Now I will go ahead to add ugba to the frying pepper on fire. I will cover it and allow it cook for 5 minutes. While that is on fire, I will go ahead to cut the yam we are going to be using to eat this sauce. Now I am going to add some salt, add some onions, and add water in the yam to cook. Guys, try to add onions in your yam. Come back and tell me how it tastes. Adding onions in your yam takes it to another level. Back to the cooking sauce. Guys, this is so delicious. It looks so good and it tastes so good. Now I am going to add uziza leaf to give it extra flavor. And I will go ahead to stir it together. Allow it cook for extra 3 to 5 minutes and the ugba sauce is done. Guys, if you are Igbo here, tell me, what do you think about this sauce? This sauce tastes so good. And to be fair, this is my first time of making it, and from now on, I'm going to be making ugba sauce to eat my yam. Back to the yam. As you can see, the yam is so soft now, so our food is ready. So guys, tell me if you are going to try this at home, and if you do, please come back to tell me how it tastes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, please share this video, like, please. See you in my next video. Bye. By the way, please come and eat, okay? Come and eat.